you might be wondering, what the heck? Look at these lights. You see here, there's two fluorescent light bulbs in here, but you don't really know that, but look at this here. There's two here, and you're like, how come they're different colors? What's the deal? Well, you've got different colors of fluorescent light tubes at the store. You've got soft white, and you've got bright light. I think they call it cool white. Cool white is a whiter color, and warm white, it's not called soft white, it's a warm white bulb, has a little bit of yellow in it, just slightly. They used to always have warm light bulbs, then they came out and they decided to make some cool light bulbs, and I think these are just a slightly less wattage, maybe a couple. And then they have also daylight tubes. You can get a tube that's called a daylight tube, which is slightly different than this. If fluorescent lights really bother you, let's say your eyes, you try the daylight tubes. Go to the hardware store. They've got all different kinds of tubes, so check that out. But like in here, if this bothers Momi, it kind of bothers me a little bit, but I can take the one tube out, the warm white tube, and I can replace it with a cool white to get it the very same color. And then you just want to make sure you always use the same tubes. And before you change the tubes, always make sure you come here and turn it off. I hate doing it with it on, because you gotta put it up there and be real careful and hope that you don't shock yourself at the tip or something, because I like to kind of fit one in and then feel my fingers on the other side, and sometimes you have to twist the bulb a little bit. Some have two little grooves on it and you have to put them up, or maybe you have to put them up this way and twist it straight, or other ones just click straight in. There's other tubes that have a round little knob at the end of it, where one side depresses and the other side pops in there, in the actual holder of the tube of the end of the light fixture. So there's different things there.